quick update here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So I'm going to go through all three platforms, starting with Oanda. I'm going to go through capital.com and Nemex platform as well, starting with Oanda. But let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand condition and how we can enter the next trade. As mentioned yesterday, prices consistently making new lower lows. So as you can see, once the price made a new low, we had a pullback and then we had a price pushed lower, and then the price used this previous low as a level of resistance. Then we had a pullback to the same level and then the price broke below the previous low, something like this, and now the price used the previous level right here that was recently broken the previous low and retest, followed by bearish engulfing patterns. So that is also one of my reasons to enter bearish engulfer, a swing high bearish engulfing pattern that happens below 50 EMA and below 20 EMA, and that is why I'm expecting a price to push lower, at least this previous low, and then once the price broke below this previous low, again something like this, we will use the previous level as a level of resistance or maybe a possible pullback and keep on taking shots till the price gets to the level of support, which is right here. And in that case, I keep my take profit 1 ATR, which is something like this. ATR is a number right here you can see on the screen, which is 5 points. So I keep my initial targets 5 points, and then you can manage it till the previous low, something like this, and keep your stop loss above and take profit wherever you want to take it. It's totally up to you. Nice one. So as you can see how nicely the price is making new lower lows and consistently making a nice pullbacks, a breather, and keep on pushing lower. And as mentioned in my yesterday's video, that it is likely chance that price will make another low pullback and then break below this previous low, and then we will use another pullback for a next entry. So exactly same condition we are getting right here. So if you see, the recent low is something like this. Now all I'm looking at another pullback, exactly the same as previous video. We had a nice bearish engulfing pattern, and I mentioned that it is one of my entry condition. We have a take profit hit right here, which is our initial target 1 ATR and then more than 1 ATR, which is right here, and keep my stop loss above the wick, and both targets has been hit easily, and that is how we take our trades with condition. Now for the next trade, all I want to see another bearish engulfing pattern. If we have that, a bearish engulfing pattern, in that case we have another sell signal. I'm going to enter another long. Again, exactly the same, stop loss will be above the wick, or 1 ATR will be initial targets. Take profit wherever you want to take it. If you want to manage it, you can manage it till the support right here. If you are still managing this trade, I would manage it till here, but I'm already out of this trade as I was already in the other forex trades. For now, these are the conditions you need to look at. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short, not taking any long trades until we get a dramatic push up above 50 EMA. In that case, we have a new trend towards the upside. For now, the support below from where I'll be entering my counter trades, it is 1.924, that goes to 2.046. This is the only area I'll be entering my buy counter trades with bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles, or 382 candles. All these are my bullish conditions. On capital.com, price hit a support area, but it is not a valid engulfing pattern. If you see here, if you zoom that candle, it is not a valid engulfing pattern because the candle has opened above from the previous candle. That is why it's not a valid candle. For the candle to be a valid engulfing candle, it must fully engulf the previous candle, the whole body of the previous candle, to call it a valid engulfing pattern. So now I'm looking at another bearish engulfer. Once we have that, we are good to go short. This whole zone is my buying zone, even though if the price comes in this zone, forms a bullish engulfer, in that case I will go long. Or if I have a nice double bottom pattern rejection here, in that case I will have a buy signal and I'll go long, keep my stop loss below the rejection box, take profit wherever you want to take it. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at if you are trading on capital.com. Bearish engulfer will be next entry, and then I will see if you have a break below this previous low, I will go for another short trade and look for a buy condition from this area of value, a valid bullish engulfer I want to see in this area of value, or a double bottom condition in this area of value, or double bottom condition if we have a rejection, exact rejection here, followed by bullish engulfers, 382 candles, or a pin bar. So the green zone right here, it is 2.110 goes to 2.235, from where we are going to enter our buy trades with the conditions I've already mentioned: bullish engulfers, double bottoms, 382 candles. All of these are my entry condition. Right here, exactly the same. We are in a process of a pullback. All I want to see bearish engulfer, a valid candle, and then I will go short again till we are in the zone below, which is why it's yellow. Let me change it to green. Right here, a zone below, it is 2.056 goes to 2.207, a zone from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers, double bottom, all the condition I've already mentioned. For now, all I'm looking at sell trades only till we are here and get a valid reason to enter. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now in the rejection box right here, rejected from the rejection box. As mentioned yesterday, we had a bullish engulfing pattern, so it is a valid technical buy signal. But we have a Fed interest rate decision coming up very shortly. That is why I'm paying attention to this interest rate decision. If we have an interest rate decision more than the forecast, as you can see, the previous two forecast, we have the kept interest rate same. If you have a decision more than the forecast, in that case we have a strength in a dollar and gold gold will push lower. But if it stays the same or if they lower the interest rate, then we have a good chance that the dollar will get weaker and gold will push higher from here. That is why I'm just looking at how the market reacts. Otherwise, a technical signal has happened right here, but we have a Fed interest rate decision, which is a major news event. That is why I'm closely paying attention. If you have a forecast in my favor, then in that case, we have a both technical and fundamental signal, and price will likely push higher. So keep an eye here. The next sell trades will be only if the price completely broke below this previous low. In that case, I'll start to look for my sell trade. For now, I'm not looking for any sell condition. I'll see how the news come up. For now, we have a technical buy signal. I'm expecting some push up at least $8 and then hit of 50 EMA and then possible rejection from 50 EMA, and then I'll look for the next condition and informed you guys accordingly. We also have an RSI divergence right here with a double bottom pattern, a very good technical signal for buy as well. But again, we have a Fed news that I'm closely paying attention, and I'll be only entering with a very small risk right here. Next one, we have silver. Silver has now hit a level of support. We've been waiting, and now it is a good level, not a major level, but a level which is 22.25 that goes to 22.57, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers, double bottoms. Once we have that, we're good to go long. So keep an eye here. I'm only looking for the condition within this zone to take my buy trades, not selling until we are completely broken below the zone I have just mentioned, or I'm looking at a nice bounce and then look for next condition if you have a rejection from 50 EMA, and then I look for a next entry. Keep an eye here. We are now in a support area and look for buy conditions only. So last one, we have crude oil. It's now pushing higher, and as mentioned in my last video that this is a zone from where I'll be looking for my buy trades, and now price has reacted nicely from this 382 candle right here. That would be an aggressive entry. So for now, I'm still looking for a less aggressive way to enter. That can be a possible double bottom pattern on 4-hour or 1-hour time frame, a pullback, a bullish engulfer. If that happens, we have a good entry. Stop loss will be below. Take profit wherever you want to take it, and I'll use 1 ATR for my initial target. Here are the condition I'll be looking at. If you have a double bottom on 4-hour or on 1-hour time frame, exactly the same on 1-hour time frame as well. So keep an eye here. These are the condition I'll be looking at. Or if you have a push down hit of the zone again followed by bullish engulfer, in that case I will go long. So only looking for long trades once we have a valid entry. I have just mentioned this 382 candle is also an aggressive entry that pushed the price up. We have a chance the price will push up, hit 50 EMA and then fall again. But personally, I'll be looking for a less aggressive way with the condition I've just mentioned. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@therateofmoneymarkets.net. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.